So in this video, we'll discuss about functions in Python. So let's see how we can write a function in Python. So we know function is nothing but block of statements which are used to perform a particular task, and whenever you want to use that task to be done, we can call the same function again and again. Okay. So this is a general syntax of the function def. Okay, so you can see def and name of the function. I'm trying to define a function. That name should be given here, and then parameters for the function should be given here. Okay, and then coming to this is representing the documentation string for that particular function. Let us suppose in that function, if you are finding the maximum among two given numbers, then you will be specifying in the documentation string that this function is going to perform maximum among two given numbers, and the respective code should be implemented here. Okay, so it takes parameters or arguments, and you can use those parameters or arguments inside the code. Okay, and you can also write functions without parameters. Okay, so let's see this example where we are computing square of the given number. Okay, so you can see print square of 3. We are calling a function called square by passing parameter as 3. So this 3 will be copied into x. Okay, and this function square will be returning a value called x double star 2, which means x double star 2 is nothing but x square. Okay, so what is x value passed here? X value is 3. So 3 square will be representing 9. So this is going to return value of 9 back to the calling function, and it will print that 9 value. So the result obtained will be 9. Okay, and next coming to another function which is multiply function, and it is taking two parameters x and y. So in the function call, we are specifying those two parameters as 3 and 2. So this value of 3 will be copied into x, and value of 2 will be copied into y. Now inside this function, it is going to return x into y. So x value is 3 and y value is 2. Now we are returning x into y, which is nothing but 3 into 2, value will be 6. So value of 6 will be returned back here. Okay, and that gets displayed. So the output will be 6 here. So consider another example. So whenever we want to return multiple values, they will be returned back to the calling function with the help of a tuple. Okay, so let us consider a function name called minmax function, which is giving list as parameter. Okay, list is supplied as parameter to this function. Now this list will be copied into data. So you can see data now becomes a list of elements. List of elements are 1, 3, 7, 2, 10. Okay, now we are going to return min of data and max of data. So what is min of data going to return here? Okay, so the minimum value on this list data will be 1, and max of data, the maximum value on this data will be 10. Okay, so this will return 1 comma 10 in the form of a tuple. 1 comma 10 will be returned. Okay, so that is the corresponding output which is going to be displayed. Okay, thank you.